I once took a completely boring, static drone shot of a city and transformed it into an intense, cinematic police chase vignette. If you want to create something truly compelling from simple footage, you really only need a strong core idea, the right assets, and some basic editing knowledge. My vision for this project was simple. I wanted to make the viewer feel like they were inside a police helicopter tracking a suspect through the streets. I started by identifying a white car in the drone footage and framing the entire project around that one vehicle. To sell the motion, I relied on keyframes, which are essentially digital sticky notes that tell your editing software exactly how to move an image. I used the transform tool to zoom in and focus directly on the car, ensuring the viewer's eyes were glued to the target. Because I wanted the movement to feel organic, I smoothed out the zoom so the transition from the wide shot to the tight shot felt seamless. To add a layer of realism, I applied an adjustment clip over the zoom portion to introduce a subtle motion blur. That slight blur makes the scene feel intense, as if your own eyes are struggling to keep focus on a target moving at high speed. Next, I found a digital graphic of crosshairs to overlay, giving the shot that classic helicopter targeting system vibe. I carefully tracked those crosshairs frame by frame to keep them locked directly onto the moving vehicle. The real magic happened when I layered in stock audio, specifically a heavy helicopter rotor hum. I even added some gritty police radio chatter to ground the visuals in a believable story. When you combine the visual zoom, the motion blur, the HUD graphic, and those specific sound effects, the static footage completely disappears. While creating these assets is fun, manually editing hours of long-form footage into short-form content can be an absolute massive time sink. This is exactly why I started using Vizard, an AI-powered tool designed to automate the heavy lifting of content creation. Instead of spending hours scrubbing through raw footage, Vizard automatically scans long videos to identify the most engaging, high-energy clips. It picks out the gold moments for me, effectively acting like a tireless assistant that finds the viral potential in my raw files. Vizard handles the auto editing, clip selection, and even content scheduling, so I don't have to juggle 50 different tabs. It allows me to keep a consistent posting schedule without needing to hire a full-time professional editor to keep up with the demand. Even with AI, you should still learn the fundamentals like keyframes and audio layering, because that hybrid approach is where the best quality lies. Let the AI handle the time-consuming tasks like clip selection, and then use your editor to refine the motion and polish those final details. By combining your creative vision with smart automation, you can turn a single simple clip into a library of engaging, professional-looking content. So, stop overthinking your raw footage and start building your own cinematic storytelling pipeline today. If you want to see more tips on mastering manual edits or integrating AI into your workflow, make sure to check out my other videos.